Welcome to PandaHall, where every pendant begins your story. In the colorful universe of DIY jewelry making, PandaHall's acrylic pendants offer a playful yet practical start. Head to our jewelry findings section and explore the full range of acrylic charms that are ready to be part of your next project. Designed to spark imagination, our acrylic pendants come in a kaleidoscope of colors and styles, from geometric patterns to floral, animal, and abstract shapes. Mix and match them however you like to create pieces that are uniquely you. These pendants are ideal for turning everyday items into eye-catching accessories. Create personalized keychains, phone charms, earrings, or use them as statement pieces in your jewelry collections. The possibilities are as unlimited as your ideas. Discover the joy of making with PandaHall's acrylic pendants. With their lightweight, vivid looks and wide range of applications, they're perfect for creators of all levels. Visit our acrylic pendants page today to get started. Thank you for watching. See you next time.